What's up, everybody? It's Duncan Schuler, the Alaskan Realtor, and today we're touring a hillside home in Anchorage, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and just over 3,000 square feet. We'll start off the tour in the kitchen. Really nice open layout, solid surface countertops with an island in the center. One unique feature about the kitchen specifically is that it's got an Italian-made stove, Bertazzoni. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but the company's almost 150 years old. They actually had this imported from Italy. There it is right there. So right when you step outside of the kitchen, basically right where the dining room table would be, you have this big balcony that's open with a little rooftop garden situation. And they've also got the French pipe drains running under the garden. If you're wondering what that building is straight ahead from me with the grass sticking on top, that's actually the garage. And when you look on the outside of the house, one major thing that sticks out is the roof. That's actually the original roof that they had from 1983. So this is kind of like the first family room entertainment area right by the front door in between the primary bedroom, the kitchen, and the dining area. And walking in right here is the primary bedroom. You've got the toilet on the outside of it, these huge windows that open up, and then you'll see as we kind of swivel around all the closet space, and then in a second we'll look at the tiled standing shower. Now we're in the family room that's on the very top floor. They got the same windows as the ones below, with that really nice view of the ocean. And on the top floor, you've got one full bathroom, 2 bedrooms, an entertainment area, and then a little study nook with a big long table for doing your homework, reading, or maybe arts and crafts with the kids. So in both of the bedrooms upstairs, they built in the rock wall climbing situation with kind of like a loft up top. And the listing agent told me that they had put a mattress up there one time for the kids, and I couldn't resist having to climb myself. This area downstairs was used as primarily a mud room / sports kids hangout area. The sellers had a ping pong table set up down there, and just kind of all the general sports equipment and basketballs, things like that. Once you get over to this area of the home, the floors are actually going to be heated. And right here you have your room where you can store like your internet modem, surveillance equipment. Obviously they got a huge safe in there, which is staying with the property. And then to the left, right past this little threshold in front of me, is all gonna be a new addition that the sellers had built around 2010. So everything this way is really, really sunny. Huge amount of light coming in there. It'd be great for maybe putting some seedlings, a nursery, gym, whatever you want really, if you want to get tons of light in there all day long. The last 2 stops we'll be making on this home tour is going to be the 4th bedroom that they've got downstairs with a built-in wooden desk on the side right there. And then we'll step into their pretty massive laundry room. That wraps up the tour of the home. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to leave my contact information down below. Feel free to reach out to me if you've got any questions at all about real estate or just living in Alaska in general.